Good morning. Today's date is May 31st. It's currently 4:25 a.m. I just got to the gym. Going to be a pretty busy day. I hope you guys stay tuned. Picked up some coffee for wifey and me. So we just got to the job site, had a leak in the roof that caused a lot of water damage. They got it fixed, and now we're going back in and we're fixing all of the studs in the wall. We're also having to fix some floor joists under the house. The task for today is getting rid of the linoleum and the adhesive, and then we'll call it a day today.